This is Junkyard Revival. That is a drastic difference. Really good product, one of our newest products, and quickly becoming one of our most popular. This is Junkyard Revival. What would you like? Starbucks.
I will do the same exact thing.
Caramel macchiato? Caramel macchiato? This is the most important part of the whole day. Junkyarding wouldn't be the same without it. Dang, it must be packed. I wonder if I can fit in that space. I just don't know about getting in this spot right here. Okay, we may have to try something different. Come on, Tesla. This is what's crazy though.
It's 30, 22.
That one's cool. A little hectic in there. Okay, the ritual. Drinks, most important part. Once that we become big stars, we'll have Starbucks sponsors. People that don't have this detail bag, missing out. It's much better this time, even with us having it. This car right here, I mean, that's like an ideal car. Let's see if this one has any kind of interior we've got in this thing. Ugh. Make sure we're not going to get bit here. Probably a little rough. Rough. Golly, look at that dash. It is like, yeah. A little much, probably. Back on our journey. We need to find something that we can do cherry wax, something dark. Like this one may be pretty decent. The one we did, I think it's close by. Yeah, it's a Sebring. We did liquid carnauba and the headlights on it. See how it held up. You can already tell big difference in the hood of how it stayed pretty protected. And this was just one coat of liquid carnauba. You can see the drastic difference is still pretty slick to the touch, just being applied 45 days ago or so. The headlights are the big difference. Look how that headlight is crushed. Here's the restored one, still held up fine. It's got some dust on it, but night and day difference. These are the results that we want to give, how it really holds up. We'll be back here in probably 30 more days. We're coming every so often. We want to give updates, that way it's like real world results. The liquid carnauba is pretty impressive from how it still stayed clean. Obviously it's not getting any kind of road grime because it's not being driven, but it's out here and it's rained and rained here for the last however many days. So pretty good hold up. Let's see if there's any of these that have a really bad interior. I'd like to show interior cleaner on one of them if we could, because it's a very versatile product. That one don't even have an interior in it, so that would be tough. Let's go up to that Chrysler 300 right there and see what it's got going on. Hood's popped. Be cool if the hood was like, or if it was like really greasy under there. Pretty nasty. So this would probably be a good panel here to use on. You can see how dirty this is. We could do a little interior cleaner, because this is what interior cleaner is good for, the day-to-day use. We can also do it, if you look in there on that armrest, we'll do a 50-50 on that armrest to show you just how interior cleaner works on surfaces that are kind of the day-to-day wear and tear armrest, these here. So let me get it out of the bag and we'll get to work. So we'll start right here on this armrest, and oh, need the tape. Gotta have the tape. People wouldn't believe this if there wasn't tape. This is a leather brush. It is my favorite brush that we have because it's a little bit of a rough surface here. Not real rough, but man, great agitation when you go to clean dirty areas like this. So I'm going to tape this off and just show you in a real little small area what it does. Then we'll do the console. But it should clean this up. This is pretty bad, but it should take care of it. The tape doesn't even want to stick to it. It's so gross. So with a little light rub, man, I put that towel on the floor and it got really dirty. But very light scrub with the brush. The good thing about interior cleaner, I'm trying to show you the cleaning capabilities of it, but the best part about it is it leaves a matte, no shine. It has UV protection behind, that it does leave that added protection, but it is zero shine or finish. And it evaporates quickly. So when you're looking for just like the quick wipe down, you don't want any shine, this is the thing. And man, just with a quick wipe brush, that's what it's able to do there. Probably the bigger test is going to be on this console, and I'll have you hop on over the other side and come in and we'll start working on it. Any cigarette? This here is rough, and I mean extremely nasty. It's caped on there, so we're going to see if interior cleaner is good enough for something like this, and we're really going to find out with you as far as just what its limits are from a cleaner. Its biggest advantage to me is not the cleaning, it's the day-to-day. If you wanted to wipe down this dash, it's just dusty, and it's great on all these panels. It's great on screens, but you can see just wiping down a small panel that it leaves it nice, clean, no shine. That's kind of its ability. For this video, I'm wanting to see how good of a cleaner it is. So let me saturate this and go to work. So just a light wipe down. I didn't put really any kind of crazy pressure. I can tell that it cleaned it up really nice. Took away 90% of the dirt and grime, and obviously this takes it down to bare. You could come back behind with a shine product, a shine all, or a Jack's Interior if you want like a matte finish. But if you just want that raw clean look, that is a drastic difference. The cleaning ability of that product is very, very impressive. This is arguably the only product you could need for your interior to clean it. You get into some other really, I mean, this is, I don't know, it's gonna get much worse, but vinyl leather cleaner is more aggressive. But just to show you, with interior cleaner, this is the results that can be accomplished. Really good product, one of our newest products, and quickly becoming one of our most popular. So if you need to clean interior cleaner.